Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset two-factor authentication with Riot Games, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your two-factor authentication with Riot Games, begin by visiting the official Riot Games website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the security settings section of your account. Locate the option for two-factor authentication. Click on this option to access the necessary settings. If you have access to your current two-factor authentication method, choose the option to disable it. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity, if required, using your current method. After disabling the existing two-factor authentication, proceed to set it up again. You will be prompted to choose a new two-factor authentication method. Select either the app-based option, such as Google Authenticator, or SMS authentication. If you choose an app-based method, download the Authenticator app to your device. Open the Authenticator app and scan the QR code provided on the Riot Games website. If you opt for SMS authentication, enter your phone number and confirm it. Once your preferred method is set up, log out of your account. Log back into your account to test the new two-factor authentication. Enter the code generated by your Authenticator app or received via SMS when prompted. If you successfully log in, your two-factor authentication has been reset. Review your account settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Keep your backup codes in a safe place, in case you lose access to your authentication method. This completes the reset process for two-factor authentication with Riot Games. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.